going on, everybody? I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to go ahead and show you how to fix a flooded yard with a drainage system. This customer had old catch basins in here, but they are no longer working. They think the pipe might be clogged somewhere. They have the old corrugated pipe, so it's probably crushed somewhere. So we're going to redo this, but they didn't run those downspouts out. So we're going to run those downspouts as well, tie them into it, and run everything out to the street. As you can see from here, I'm in the center of the back of the yard. We can see everything that's the low spots and where water is collecting. It just rained yesterday, so it's a perfect time to come out here and take a look at everything. As you can see, they had some catch basins. Some are still working, some aren't, but the water just builds up and it doesn't have anywhere to go. So we are going to make it go to the street because someone already broke through the curb. So they already have that, and we're going to go ahead and tie into it. This is exactly how everything looks right now after a nice hard rain, so that way we know exactly what we have to fix. And then there's a sump pump over here which is not tied in correctly. As you can see, there's a hole. It just comes out, builds up, drains back in. Here's an example of it right here. Yeah, don't do that. So we're going to redo it, tie it into the system, and make it go all the way out to the street.